If Indonesia is really struggling, then someone needs to explain this. Because tonight, Jakarta looks absolutely unbelievable. The journey is simple. Just one Transjakarta bus ride. Before stepping into what might be Jakarta's busiest place tonight. And here it is. This is Jakarta Fair. At first glance, it almost feels impossible to believe this is just an ordinary weekday night. Every entrance is packed. Every walkway is filled with people. Wherever you look, there's another crowd gathering around food, live performances, and family entertainment. The energy is constant. It's loud, colorful, and incredibly alive. For many Indonesians, this isn't just another festival. It's a tradition that brings millions of visitors together every single year. And after only a few minutes inside, it's easy to understand why. The deeper you walk, the busier it gets. Every food stall has a line. Every corner has people taking a break before moving on again. Some come here to shop. Others come just for the food, the atmosphere, or simply to spend time with family and friends. There's no single reason people visit Jakarta Fair. And maybe that's exactly what makes this place so special. Everyone seems to find something they're looking for. If you think you've seen the busiest part, think again. The deeper we go, the more alive this place becomes. Every restaurant is packed. Every food stall has another line waiting. And somehow, everyone is still searching for their next bite. You don't really rush through Jakarta Fair. You wander. You stop whenever something catches your eye. Then you keep moving until another smell or another crowd pulls you in. It's busy. It's loud. But that's exactly what makes nights like this unforgettable. Most people come here expecting food. Every few steps, there's another restaurant. Another snack. Another reason to stop. Some people are here to try something new. Others come back every year for the same favorite meal. That's what makes this place special. It's not just about eating. It's about sharing the experience with friends, family, and thousands of complete strangers. In a crowd this big, everyone is following a different craving. But somehow we're all part of the same journey. Here's the part no one tells you. The best discoveries aren't always on your travel itinerary. They're hidden between unexpected turns. One moment you're surrounded by incredible food. The next, you're exploring motorcycles, local brands, live promotions, and people celebrating every little find. This isn't built for rushing. It's built for wandering. Every corner changes the atmosphere. Every few steps feel like walking into a completely different world. And that's what keeps everyone moving. Because around here, you never know what the next 30 seconds will surprise you with. This is where the experience shifts gears. It's no longer just about what you can see. It's about what you can actually feel. From high-performance machines to hands-on test rides, every display invites you to get closer instead of just looking from a distance. And just when you think you've seen it all, the next hall introduces a completely different side of mobility. New ideas, new technology, and new possibilities. Then the doors open and the energy changes once again. The lights get brighter. The streets get louder. And thousands of people become part of the experience together. Because the best events aren't remembered for a single attraction. They're remembered for the feeling that every corner has something worth discovering. This is when you realize the crowd isn't here by accident. Every street has something pulling people in. Some come for the food. Some are searching for something unique to take home. Others are simply enjoying the atmosphere, letting the night lead the way. There isn't one main attraction here. The streets themselves become the experience. Every few steps, there's another place to stop, another flavor to try, another moment worth remembering. And somehow, even with thousands of people around you, it never feels like the night is slowing down. It just keeps moving, one discovery after another. Some cities slow down after sunset. This place seems to wake up. The crowds keep moving. The shops stay busy. Every street feels alive with conversations, food, music, and people discovering something new. You don't need a plan here. Just keep walking, and the city will keep giving you reasons to stay a little longer. As the evening goes on, this food court becomes even more alive. Families, friends, and travelers all gather here, sharing meals and taking a break from the busy streets. The aroma of freshly cooked food fills the air, while conversations and laughter create an atmosphere that's impossible to miss. It's more than just a place to eat. It's where the city's energy comes together, one table at a time. Thanks for exploring with me. If you enjoy discovering places like this, don't forget to subscribe and join me on the next adventure. See you in the next video.